Grab-and-Go Concessions, your one-stop food truck rental for delicious catering and refreshing drinks. Are you planning an event or party and need delicious catering and refreshing drinks that will satisfy your guests? Look no further, because Grab-and-Go Concessions is your one-stop shop for all your food truck rental needs. Our professional and friendly staff offers a wide variety of menu options that will cater to your specific event requirements. From savory burgers to sweet treats, we have it all. Our food trucks are equipped with state-of-the-art kitchen equipment and fresh ingredients to ensure that every dish we serve is of the highest quality. Additionally, our drink selection includes a variety of refreshing beverages to quench your thirst on a hot day. In this post, we'll explore why Grab-and-Go Concessions is the perfect choice for your next event, and we'll highlight some of our most popular menu items. 1. Introduction: the convenience and popularity of Grab-and-Go Concessions. Introduction: the convenience and popularity of Grab-and-Go Concessions. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, especially when it comes to satisfying our appetites. That's where Grab-and-Go Concessions come into play, offering a convenient and delicious solution for those on the move. Whether you're hosting a corporate event, planning a birthday party, or organizing a community gathering, Grab-and-Go Concessions provide the perfect catering option. One of the main reasons why Grab-and-Go Concessions have gained immense popularity is their versatility. With a wide range of food truck options available, you can cater to various tastes and dietary preferences. From gourmet burgers and mouthwatering tacos to healthy salads and vegan delights, there's something for everyone. These mobile kitchens bring a delightful culinary experience directly to your doorstep, ensuring that your guests are treated to an array of flavors and cuisines. Not only do Grab